birthday. Happy birthday.
What? Happy birthday, ma.
Happy birthday sa pinamaganda at pinaka-sexy ko nanay dyan. I love you always. Uwi ka na, hindi na ako galit.
Birthday, Mama Shoni!
Sana ay maging malakas ang iyong pangangatawan at more blessings to come. Good health to everyone. We love you!
Hello, it's me, your bunso. Happy birthday, ma. I love you. Ingat kayo dyan ni Daddy lagi.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, ate!
Birthday,
Thank
ate.
you for supporting us all the time. One call away. Salamat. Thank you for spoiling my kids.
Yeah, thank you very much, Tita Sean.
Thank you.
We love you. We
Thank
love
you.
you. Happy birthday. Hope you have a best birthday this year.
Bye.